it always takes time. So, okay, let's go to Lightning Studio. Let's not waste our time. So how Lightning Studio is open? Once you download that extension, there will be one icon here, this blue color icon you can see. So you can check at your end also. It must be there. Under maybe it is not there. You might have to add it into favorites, but in the extensions it should be there. Yes, this extension here you can find all the extensions. You can pin it, so it can appear on your web browser.
Pin it means?
Pin it means so that it is available here. Otherwise, it will be under extensions.
Yeah, I clicked on extensions. It's there.
So here you can see, you must be seeing Lightning Studio. You just click on this button. It will pin on your browser.
Yeah, it's pinned now.
Okay. So whenever you will log into whichever org, whenever you press this button, it will open you the same thing which is there on your VS Code. Okay. VS Code is managed locally, but this will be specific to that.
So whenever you want to open this Lightning Studio, you have to open VS Code as well.
No. You just have to log into your Salesforce org. Without it, see, if I go to this tab, it is not blue colored. Okay, so means it won't.
Oh, that's why it's not blue color for me.
Yes. So whenever you will come to your Salesforce screen, it will be blue colored.
Yeah,
so
that's
that
what
you
I
can
was
open.
wondering. Yeah, why it's blue color for you and why it's not for me.
Yes. So that means you can now open all the LWC components your org has. So it will give you some structure like this. Okay. So basically, three things are here. Lightning Web Component number one, which is an important thing. Okay. Then there is something called Lightning as a Service. This is not used as much. And the most important thing, Apex classes. So these two things are important: Apex classes and web components.
Okay.
So the difference is you used to create. So here also it is connected. My org is connected. So if you remember how we created a new component, do you remember the steps?
Yeah, right click. I mean, Control Shift P.
Correct. Control Shift P, and you click on here, create Lightning Web Component.
Right.
Okay. So similarly, if you want to create it from Lightning Studio, you have this button called Create New Component. You just have to click here. Let's create our first component here. The topic for today is data binding. Okay. And we have to remember the nomenclature. So first letter should be small. Okay. And like this. So here we don't have to create that XML file. If you remember that XML file which we created, where we have to specify our targets.
Right.
Okay. And so first thing which we were supposed to do was is exposed. We have to change it to true from false, so that it is visible to our org. So in case of Lightning Web Component, we have this checkbox here for is exposed. Okay. And for targets, whatever targets we have coded here, we can directly select them from here. Record pages, app page, home page. On these three pages, we can deploy our component, whatever we are creating.
Okay.
So I click on deploy, and it will straightforwardly deploy. Okay, it failed. Okay, the name was already existing, so I'll create a new org for you tomorrow. Otherwise,
where you got message failed?
Sorry.
Did you get any message for failed?
Yes, on the top right. See, when I will click here.
Okay.
Please check the output.
Increase your screen, no? Increase your screen. Maximize.
My screen is maximized already, but in I think Google what is this? Google Meet might be showing smaller.
Okay.
My screen is maximized.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So again, let me create data binding. I'll give it _1 because it was already existing. So if you want to create a CSS file also, you can click from here. Okay. Now I'll deploy this. This will deploy to my org. Okay. See, this is the component which is created. It is having the same structure as that of VS Code. This is the HTML file. The HTML basically consists of template. Okay, where we will be designing our UI. Then this is the JavaScript file where we will be. This is a pre-built code which we discussed yesterday, where we will be doing a logic part. And this is the meta file which automatically gets created with the targets because we have checked the checkboxes. Okay. So now let's start with the basic component. So if you remember, what we did yesterday was we deployed our first component, which we created in VS Code. This was the first component, HTML file and the JavaScript file. So I have written just the h1 tag, which we have learned in HTML, then the button tag. Okay, so it was giving me something UI like this. So this was the UI I was getting. Why? Because I am using my core HTML tags, but LWC what has done, it has introduced some new HTML tags for its purpose only, for LWC purpose only. Okay, those all tags will be starting with Lightning keyword, because Lightning Web Component is a full form. So it will be, they will be starting with Lightning. We will be discussing them all. So if you can see my component, this component which I dragged and dropped is not having a good UI. I mean, not a white background, and see the button quality of inbuilt buttons here and see the button quality of this button. Okay, it is not same. Why? Because we are using the regular HTML tags and we are not using the advanced Lightning tags which are introduced for specifically.
So yesterday you created a Lightning Web Component, right? So that the component also available here?
Yes, that component should in Lightning Studio. You are saying? See this one. It will automatically fetch all the components which are there in your org.
Okay.
So I don't have to right click and deploy like we used to do in VS Code. I just have to do Control S and it will automatically make the changes. See, in a couple of seconds, even less than
Control S.
Yes, only Control S.
Okay.